when the sun dips below the horizon and seems to descend far too soon, when the trees lose their leaves and stand naked, and the wind blows as cold as the moon, when the birds wing it south for the winter, at least that's where they seem to head, then our thoughts tend to drift toward Christmas with a mixture of pleasure and dread.
December compresses, gets shorter, feels like the month lasts a week, and a hectic commotion arises till our sanity plays hide and seek. The colorful, bright decorations, the music, the ribbons, the swag, glow and gleam with the promise of pleasures, as long as you scan the price tag.
And though most of us grasp well the concept, mere stuff will not Christmas time make, and we pooh-pooh the grossly commercial as capitalism's mistake, and we swear in our faith in the spirit, whatever the heck that word means, still, our goal not to worship consumption is shattered all to smithereens.
For which are the true metrics of Christmas, if not measured in dollars and cents, or the miles traveled non-stop domestic in our efforts to gain recompense? Like pollsters obsessed with percentage, we strive with each package and gift to boost our esteem differential and cause sagging poll points to lift.
If only we had, so we reason, the more we could buy and bestow. All is dross, to be sure, but regardless, do not presents make loved ones' hearts glow? Our extravagance forms a vast tangle, standing tightly impacted by guilt, barricading in our better natures. In our efforts to blossom, we wilt. Recognition, attention, affection, some laughter, a smile, an embrace. These aren't for sale down at the Walmart or at any online marketplace. So at last, to our shame, it's just obvious. Looking back at the month we just spent dashing all over town for some bauble in a frenzy of mass discontent,
that moment we spent to ask Grandpa what he liked to do in his youth, or that task we helped Mama to finish, were the things that made Christmas, in truth.
All the presents were all soon forgotten. They lay in a pile in the trash. Insecurities dressed up like bridesmaids. Their value just gone in a flash.
Far too soon, we discover our folly. As the calendar leaves drop away, precious little that's paid for with money will make for a great Christmas day.
I hope someday we'll learn this lesson. It isn't just sums or amounts. The essential metrics of Christmas are those numbers that no one can count.